So, what are we doing?
Today's activity, children. Scrub your boots.
Yeah.
It's so dirty here. Like, I thought it'd be like red Sahara sand, but it's like black. We walked on the pontoon last night with bare feet and our feet were black.
Yeah.
It's proper dirty. I think washing your boat down, I'm going to have to do a lot.
Yeah.
Here. I'm going to keep having to rinse it down. I'm giving it a good scrub. But I mean, the the anti-slip on this is really, really buggered. Your dad's done loads of damage with chemicals on it.
Because he's not careful.
And it's worn off anyway. It's worn off something terrible. I wouldn't you know, what do you call it? Say to other people to get this one.
No.
Recommend, there we go, that's the word. I wouldn't recommend this chemical anti-slip, it's just crap. It's not even anti-slip anymore. If you look, as anti-slip, it's just slippery.
Yeah.
So we need to do it again. Maybe I'm going to use some like kiwi grip next time.
Yeah, definitely.
Take it off, get it down, put kiwi grip on. What do you think? Kiwi grip?
Kiwi grip.
I've heard that's the best one. Maybe that's what we'll go for, try next time.
Yeah.
Anyway, until then, today's job is scrubbing and washing the boat.
Yeah.
I'm Nikki, and this is my gorgeous family. Chris, Bo, Bear, and our salty sea dog, Hagar. We're sailing around the world on Pickle, an old catamaran we bought and did up after my major life-changing moment when I caught meningitis. Subscribe and enjoy the ride.
I want to swim. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so good!
.1k. Latest episode, go like it. Anyway. Mum, guess what? 3.1k.
Yes! I have!
I'm so excited.
This all pays off, you see, in the end.
And having tea.
Tea!
Editing, but at least we have 3,100 subscribers.
Tea for two, and two for tea. Tea for you, and tea for me. Oh my god, 3,000! It's growing, yeah?
Yeah. Thanks to all the people that follow us.
Thank you, subscribers. You're amazing. You're making this all possible.
Yeah.
It's hard. The hardest thing is getting people to see your channel in the first place, isn't it?
I know. Yeah.
I suppose the more see it, then the more will see it. It's like a big circle, isn't it?
But at the beginning, it's hard to get people.
The more
to
you grow, the
notice.
quicker you grow. Once you get going, isn't it?
Yeah.
The first 1,000, that's slow, and then once you've got that, it sort of grows
faster.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we were celebrating 1,000 subscribers about 3 months ago.
I know. Now we're on 3,000.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Just keep liking our YouTubes, guys.
Yeah, definitely.
Give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs
Press the bell
up.
button.
Subscribe.
Yeah. And share it with your friends if you like it. Tell them about us.
Yeah.
And then maybe we get more subscribers.
Yeah.
Even better.
Definitely
Have a cup
better.
of tea with me. Find me as I'm travelling around the world. You never know. These guys did.
They did. Anyway, love you.
Bye bye.
Okay, you see this, guys? Dad's aciding the boat.
Which, by the way, is biodegradable acid, so it's perfectly safe to put in tea.
Yes, it is. So we're not doing
It's not
any
the
harm.
it's not the strong.
Burn your face off acid.
No, it's strong acid, but it's not the strong powder stuff.
Yeah.
It's not safe. This stuff is biodegradable and safe.
I'll show the tub.
Oh, you're right.
Sorry. I've got long hair, guys. If you didn't know.
You see, it takes the yellow off.
Yeah, I can't really see though because of the sun.
It's watered down. Yeah, it's an acid.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna end up dyeing my hair bleach blonde.
It's amazing stuff, and the good thing about it is it's actually biodegradable. Right, watch your toes, You know, not going to like getting wet.
I'll make sure if I get wet, I just don't want the acid to go on me.
That water's beautiful as well.
Hot.
The temperature of the water's amazing.
In the hose?
No, like tea.
Today, guys, these were squeegeed, washed and towel dry, and now look at them. Filthy with the Sahara dust.
You're going to get dirty feet.
I still can't see it. There you go, it's shaded now. No, you're missing a bit.
No. That'll rub it. Won't go over it. Then really, the longer you leave it, and more it works. But I can't leave it because of windows. to drop any on windows, I've got to get it straight off. I don't think it'll have a problem with sticker flags. No, there's no million
Oh, how pretty's a budgie. Oh, hello, budgie.
Anytime you see them leaving, when they're in the cage.
How cute is that?
What colours are they?
That's a really cute budgie.
That is
See,
so...
every little walk in Africa brings a miracle.
Yeah.
A marvellous little sight. And this loony thinks he's going to go and stroke it. Good luck.
It will fly off.
He's such a croaker. Can you imagine if he catched it?
If I caught it, would you let me keep it?
Yeah, mum.
Have a pet bird.
Pet budgie on the boat. That's a bit different, isn't it? It's like a park.
Yeah, we've been here.
Everywhere we go, we seem to go somewhere new. It's crazy, Glenn. I like it.
Traffic.
I don't just like it, I love it.
Yeah.
But it's so chaotic.
Yeah, I don't like it at all.
You don't like the chaos?
No.
This is cars. Everybody everywhere. It's crazy. Woo! There's cars at the man directing traffic, look. Left. Don't be silly, just don't be silly. Whoa, Ben, what are you doing? No, he went head first down here, then he did. Whoa!
I could have gone down there, stood up, jumped off end, and then do a rail slide on there. You video it?
She's gonna put that on YouTube.
Why, for fuck's sake?
I'm saying loads of stupid stuff again.
But you always say stupid stuff.
I know.
That's alright, everybody knows what you really like, don't they? We're off. I found some smooth path. Woo!
Them paths when I went to that tender on, what is it?
Well, they're good.
Oh, they were brilliant.
Yeah.
They were like glass.
Look, we made it to the bridge. Think the boat will fit under? Huh?
What?
Think the boat will fit under?
What?
Think the boat would fit under, deathhead?
Oh.
You didn't even know, you? Hang on, I'm going to go and look over here. Kids are up there, don't you go too far.
I don't know, you couldn't Google like it.
Whistle. Oh yeah.
What you can do is you can Google height of bridge, but we don't know height of mast, do we?
14 metres. Plus whatever high we are from the water. Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, this is where it goes into that great big lake, isn't it? Inland, big inland lake. This, isn't it?
Mum, me and Bear did a massive picture. Oh, that's that big bridge.
What's that? What's that?
I go swimming.
It's a great big inland.
Looks nice to go swimming.
Stay away from the lines.
Yeah.
I'd like to sail in there. See what's in there. It's a great big lake, isn't it? Some sort of inland lakey thing. Think they'd let us?
Yeah, I reckon boat get under there.
Yeah.
No, possibly later. Look at the current, look at. Big as a bull off, come on, man. What are you doing? Alright, here.
Yeah, well done.
Dad, look.
I can do it, guys. I can flip it around.
Of course you can.
Oh, look.
Oh, look at your dad. Fall off and hurt himself.
Right, here you go.
That's so good. I didn't actually realise that was a trick though. That's just something you do.
It's not something you do in a longboard though, is it?
Oh yeah, if you want to turn direction.
Guys, I'm a pro. I can't do any tricks in my longboard because it's too heavy.
Come on. You crazy fools.
I know.
Bo never misses a photo opportunity of the sunset. always looking for the sunset. It is mighty beautiful though, to be fair. Well done, Bo, for spotting it. As we walk home. Froggy frogs, froggy. Froggy frog frogs.
I need a drink.
I need a drink.
I can drink.
Look at that sunset. Bo, look at the sunset. Bo, look. Sunset. She loves the sunset, doesn't she, Bo?
Yeah.
You can have a drink in a second.
No, I think we got that well at home. Make a move, sucker.
So, Bo.
I'm so cold and hot.
Oh my god, he's so sweaty! Oh my god, that's a brilliant hiding place, Bear!
Thanks, Mum, for telling me.
Hide and seek's the best thing on the boat.
Did you remember?
Ingenious!
I just thought, oh, the code's sticking out there.
Nearly as good as my one, that one, Bear.
I said she'd notice coach.
Our adventure today. We're gonna go and find a beach. Go and find a beach! We're gonna try and find a beach. There's a really, look at all the finger pontoons over there, not used, crazy. Big ships out there, changing regularly. We're trying to find the beach. Just a litter, look at it. Looks like this is like a rubbish dump. I think this is all a rubbish dump, or either that or they just drop litter everywhere.
Yeah, I think it's a rubbish dump, yeah.
Crazy, I've never seen so much rubbish.
I can see the
Look at the sand over there though, man. Can't wait to get to that beach. Come on then, there you go. Just have to walk. 20 miles.
Yeah, and red hot.
Oh my god, that was really hot though, wasn't it?
That burnt.
It's so dry in here. It's so fast. Oh, so smooth. Can't wait to swim. No. Hope's not too hot, man. It's very windy. We'll see when we get down there. Right, I speed up! Won't you beat me? You can't beat your mother yet! I'm fast! Oh my god! Look at the beach! It's amazing! Wow! Oh my god, Paul! Careful on your foot!
Sand guys.
Be careful where you walk, Casey. Bones!
No. Can we stop here?
I want to go out that way where there's no seaweed.
Seaweed on the hill.
graffiti all over it.
That's what a cat. Yeah, shame people do that.
Why do people do that? Like
How cool is that, huh?
people go to the nicest places and ruin it.
Get back down there, I'll take a picture of you if you like. It's so cute. Not too fast. And watch the people. Crazy, crazy. There won't be, with the lights on. Do you want a video? Because I'm scared.
Oh, it smells.
Is it still there?
The behind, but I don't think they've got to do it, run off. The behind, just let them go, it's just making it. Like this one here, you're fucking going in there.
Why have they got straps down? I'm just gonna go. Well, I'm not showering in there with cockroaches in. Back to the boat for a shower, huh? It's just a shame. Being in a marina and then having to pay for gas in the boat to have a shower. It's crap, isn't it? As we enjoy another beautiful evening in Tunisia, watching that gorgeous sunset over Northern Africa, I just want to say thank you for watching, guys, and you can find us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, and if you really love what we're doing, become one of our patrons. Follow the link below. See you next time, guys.